Reports of 2 injured while making crude bombs in a house in Durgapur in Burdwan district of West Bengal. Those are the first visuals also coming in of those who are injured. Remember, they were making bombs that we are now getting to hear. The 2 are admitted in the hospital, and this is, remember, one of the many instances that Times now has been reporting on, also about the investigations into the Burdwan blast case. Shambit is with us on the phone line. Shambit, get us more details of, what have been the recoveries and who really these 2 people are.
What we're learning that these 2 people are TMC supporters. That is what the local people are confirming to us, and they were making bombs in a house in Laudia last night, and when in the process of making these bombs, the explosion took place and their hands were blown off. In fact, we are also getting a version from local TMC leaders as well, and they are saying that some BJP miscreants had come in and they had hurled bombs at them, and in that process they have got injured, and they were immediately taken to the local hospital, and the police also rushed to the spot, and they have recovered these 2 persons who got injured. They had admitted him in the local hospital. In fact, this incident has taken place in Laudia area of Durgapur, and after their initial treatment, they have been now transferred to the Burdwan Medical College and Hospital. The police are telling us that they are investigating this whole case, how these 2 persons got injured, because they are also getting different versions. In fact, local TMC leaders are claiming that they were the bombs were hurled at them by BJP miscreants, and some local people are claiming that they were making crude bombs inside a house when this explosion had taken place, and in the process they got injured. Back to you.
Now, Shambit, what you're telling us is the fact that these were making bombs in a house in Durgapur in the Burdwan district. What has the police recovered from them? Because, how did they manage these explosives, if at all, these explosives were found? For whom were these bombs being made? Now, what really has come out in the initial interrogation of these 2 men?
These 2 men have claimed that they were in a house, and then some miscreants had come and they had hurled bombs at them. In fact, local TMC leaders are claiming that the BJP miscreants had come there and hurled bombs at them. But the police are not sure about, have not yet got enough information whether there was miscreants from outside who had hurled bombs at them, because they have recovered some remnants of crude bombs from the area where they got injured. In fact, they are investigating this whole matter. That is what the local police are telling us at this moment. And this is an allegation and counter-allegation that is going on. At this moment, yes. These 2 persons who got injured, they have claimed that the bombs were hurled at them last night when they was in that particular house in the Laudia area of Durgapur.